If you have a remote control that is working, but the screen has a patch, here we can help you fix it. This time, we are repairing a Panasonic air conditioner remote control. First, we take out the batteries. Then we need to unfasten the screws. Then we need to carefully pry it open. Next, we need to unfasten 3 screws in order to access the screen which is behind the circuit board. You can see there's a dark patch on the screen. With a pair of tweezers, we need to peel off the stickers. The dark patch is on the stickers and we need to replace this with a new one. I use a tunnel to clean off the glue from the screen. By using a silver paper, I replace the sticker. I cut out the exact size using the screen as a template. Position the new piece back on the screen and put it back in the case in the exact steps how when we remove it. We tested it and it was a successful repair. We put it side by side with another remote control and we found the screen is bright. There is no more dark patch